Shenzhen YanBoChuang Technology Co. Limited was established in 2008. As a top leading professional OEM/ODM tablet PC manufactory, our experienced working team has been dedicated to the R&D, manufacture and marketing, with advanced technology, high quality, innovative design and best pre-sales and after-sales services. On the purpose of producing first-class brand tablet PC, we have already established our own brand named Hipo, which has been successfully exported to more than 100 countries worldwide, such as Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Africa, Latin America, Europe, the United States and so on. Many suppliers at home and abroad have established long-term business relationship with our factory. Each product is rigorously tested by the quality system, 100% working, and passed all international standards. Each item comes with a warranty of at least 1 year. As a professional OEM/ODM tablet company, we could provide the lowest price than those distributors. Above all, we could provide wise economical advice for your products to save unnecessary cost. We accept customized product to make innovative design, high performance with customer's own brand name and requirements. Pre-sales and after-sales services for technical support being supported by an advanced and professional IT team. We could offer technical support on pre-sales and after-sales service, from hardware evaluation to software analysis. You will be no more confused about different prices for same product in a market. Sincerity, innovation, rigorousness, and efficiency is the persistent conception of our company for the long term to develop together with customers for mutual reciprocity and mutual benefit, as well as the brilliant future in tablet PC field. Welcome to contact and visit us.
Do you want to learn more about us? Welcome to watch the video about our R&D team.